impacts of human activities on the planet are at the heart of global concerns. Our product NoxSpice AB is a perfect example of this approach. Interestingly, this 100% natural feed additive is mainly composed by the co-products from the food industry. Additionally, it benefits to improve feed use efficiency by the livestock. Therefore, the supplementation of NoxSpice AB could optimize the resources needed to feed the animals. As a result, have to limit the impact of the livestock sector on the environment. In order to get a clear picture, the life cycle study was carried on NoxSpice AB. The study consisting in evaluating the environmental impact related to NoxSpice AB during its entire life cycle, from the production of raw material, transportation, processing, packaging, distribution, and finally the use at farms.
This study reveals several contributive effects of NoxSpice AB on reducing environmental impact in pig and poultry production. To be more specific, first, we analyzed the ecological profit brought by one bag of 25 kg of NoxSpice AB, which correspond to 10 tons of swine or poultry feed. Then, the results were compared to the same farm condition without NoxSpice AB. The results show that every one bag of 25 kg of NoxSpice AB can potentially help reducing 5 tons of CO2 emitted from pig farms. It can also help reducing 6 tons in case of poultry farms. Additionally, 0.7 hectares of land used for the production of pigs and poultry will be saved thanks to each 25 kg of NoxSpice AB. Last but not least, one bag of NoxSpice AB allows swine farm to reduce 82 cubic meters of water consumption, and poultry farm can save even more, up to 201 cubic meters of water consumption.
The positive effects on our planet are indirectly generated by the efficacy of NoxSpice AB in improving swine and poultry feed conversion ratio as well as daily weight gain. The zootechnical results have been proven by our numerous studies worldwide. To know more, please contact us.